And a boom. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Karen on Camera, the channel all about Karens, so that we can entertain you and amaze you with these ladies. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a Karen who wished she wasn't being recorded. So there you have it, guys. A total bitch in her zebra pants, acting like a total douche to just some random person in a coffee shop on her day off. Hey, I think I'll just walk in here and be cocky and call another girl a pussy because nobody's touching mine. Anyhow, that'll do it for this one, guys. If you like this video, boom. Subscribe for weekly videos because I do these, and talk to you later.